I am here in the Valley of a Thousand Hills in KZN at the home of Imbeleko Foundation. I am so excited to be here, especially on this day where we were able to award the learners who have done an exceptional job in their academic achievement.
What I've seen here has been nothing short of incredible. The Imbeleko Academy is based here in KZN, also known as KwaZulu-Natal, and it is an organization that is community-based and community-derived. What does that mean? It means everyone here that's participating in the program, from stakeholders such as donors, educators, students, are all from this local community.
I really just thought we were doing something really small to help the Academy to make this event a success, but I was completely overwhelmed today. I think what really stood out for me more than anything else was the face, the smiles of every single person here today. And I really think it's indicative of the culture of the Academy.
I love Imbeleko because it is far-reaching. It is a global place of excellence for young people to be nurtured and to learn. I'm excited about building opportunities and bridges to America from here, allowing these young people to spread their wings and do everything that they are called to do in their future, because I know personally, after having engaged them, that their futures are bright.
And it's been beautiful. It's been amazing because as I've driven around this place known as the Valley of a Thousand Hills, I've been able to encounter different types of needs. By being based here, better able to respond to what it is that those people need and be able to connect and address those particular needs. And so it's been incredible being able to see that and see this as an example, maybe even a template that other organizations and other communities can use.
I come from the tech industry, and what excites me is that talent has no name or face or territory or grasslands. It is everywhere, and it's up to us as people of industry, people who are grown-ups and adults, to really understand that we can make a difference and we can really inspire children to be the best that they can. There's an opportunity here for us as corporate, as South Africa, to groom children, to create centers of excellence if we really wanted to. Our children are our future, and I really hope that people around our community find the time and effort to understand that this is what we have here. And it's really our responsibility to make sure that we grow our children in the right direction, immaterial of where we come from and what we have.